Hello guys, welcome back to Murugami YouTube channel. Thank you for returning back. Today I have something for you. I want to share some simple and practical tips on how you can start saving money and manage your expenses better. This is something we all need. I know, I'm very sure of that. Whether you are a student starting your first job or out there trying to be smarter with your money, let's get it done. Relax and enjoy.
Are you ready?
Of that, whether you are a student starting your first job or out there trying to be smarter with your money, let's get it done. Relax and enjoy. So we said today's topic: simple ways to save money and manage your expenses. We have 5 points that we are going to discuss that will be helping you to manage your money if you are unable. So point number 1, set small saving goals. You have to start with that point number 1. You cannot start saving without plans or without having visions or goals. You have to set goals so that you can be able to save. Don't wait until you have a lot of money to start saving. Start with what you have. Even saving 50 bob, imagine, a day, that makes a difference over time. So start with that one. Set small saving goals and you'll see a progress. Point number 2, create a simple budget. You have to write down how much money you earn and what you spend it on. This will help you to know or to see where your money goes to and where you can cut it back. You know what I mean when I say cut it back. You can stop spending where the money is unnecessarily needed. So point number 3, avoid unnecessary spendings. Most of us always spend a lot of money with useless things. Let me call them. Before you buy something, ask yourself, do I really need this or do I just want it? Learn to prioritize needs over wants. Point number 4, our second last point. Use the envelopes method or mobile wallets. Divide your money into different categories like food, transport, and savings. You can use envelopes or mobile money accounts for each category. Our last point number 5, be disciplined and patient. Saving requires discipline and patience. Saving money takes time and discipline. Don't give up just because you are starting small. Be consistent and you will see the progress. Those are my simple tips for saving money and managing your expenses. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe and let me know in the comment section how you manage your money. See you in the next video. Bye bye.